Aloha! This is the Lanikai Beach, one of Hawaii's most breathtaking beaches, captured in a stunning 4K resolution by a drone camera. With its crystal clear turquoise water, powdery white sand, and majestic palm trees, Lanikai Beach is a true gem of Hawaii. In this video, we'll take you on a breathtaking aerial tour of the shoreline, showcasing the magnificent views of the Mokulua Islands, a pair of islets that rise dramatically out of the ocean. You'll experience the stunning natural beauty that has earned Lanikai Beach a reputation as one of the world's most beautiful beaches. Whether you're a beach lover or simply seeking a serene escape, Lanikai Beach is a must-see destination. Mahalo.